Hey everyone, welcome to Mr. Hack Your channel. Here I often do overviews of cool apps which make your life easier and happier. So consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Now in this video there is a full overview of Celebs App, which recently got into top charts in US App Store in different categories. So the idea is super simple. You take a selfie or you upload your photo and then you can find a celebrity lookalike. So some celebrity which looks similar to you, and then you can just share with your friends on Instagram or Snapchat, and you can just show, hey, someone is looking like a Brad Pitt, or someone else is looking like I don't know, Dwayne Johnson, or anything like that. So I just do an overview of this app. Yeah, I think it's super fun. Overall, you will see later in the overview that maybe it's not that precise, so it depends if you are smiling on different lighting, on different angle of the camera. It delivers completely different results, but it's super great start just to have fun with this app and have fun with friends. So here is Celebs App. Here's how you can find it in App Store. It's a free app. 146 megabytes, but you can get it for free, and basically you can use most of the features for free as well. So the main idea of the app is that you can find your celebrity lookalike. So you just take your photo and then the app will recognize which celebrity you look alike to. So, and then you can just share it on Instagram or Snapchat. So super simple idea. But seems it's getting traction because this app is like in top 10 apps in photo and video category and in top 100 apps in United States App Store. So super cool. So let's just open the app and I will try to generate Celebs lookalike for you. So in the bottom right you have this like camera. So yeah, then you can just take the photo. Yeah, so then the app will automatically recognize. And then, yeah, so something like this. And then dogs lookalike. And then you can also choose like friends lookalike. But probably that just won't work. Okay, so you got the idea here. Another way it was just, yeah, you look 91% like Wesley Snipes. Then you can just share it to Snapchat. So if you just tap here, it will open my Snapchat app. So you need to have Snapchat app installed. And then yeah, anyways, it should just share it there. So just take some time. Okay, anyways, maybe there are some bugs, but that's the idea. Still, there are some issues with this app because there are a lot of users. So as you can see here, it's just I probably need to reload it. Or maybe it's just my phone, anyways. So this is the app. So finally, yeah, you can see the app here. Then if you want to add your friends in top right, you can just tap and you need to give access to your contacts, and then you will be able to add your contacts to the app. Then in settings you have like a subscription, you have restore purchases. So you can see Celebs Plus, you can unlock all features, you can save to camera roll, you can remove ads. And that is for $4.99 per week, and you can try it for free for 3 days and then renew at $4.99 per week. So that's that. So that's the offer. So if you don't want ads, and if you want to save to camera roll, then you just need Celebs Plus. So yep, there you have it. And again, if I click here, for example, I can also share it to Instagram in the bottom left. So I can just tap and it should open my Instagram. There you have it. And then something like this. You can also regenerate it or upload a photo again from camera. So let's see how that looks like, and then it will regenerate the new photo. And something like this. Yep, if you want to save it, you will need to upgrade. So you can only share it to Instagram or Snapchat, but you can't save it. And then you can see like dogs lookalike. That's kind of fun. And then friends lookalike, but you will need to add friends to this app. So that's basically the idea. So super simple app. You can just have fun with it. I'm not sure if it uses some artificial technology, artificial intelligence technology or something like that, or it's just like generating random images, because it seems it's it's not super precise, but still it can be fun. I think if they add more feature with your friends, so it can be more precise, and you can take a photo and see how you look alike with your friends, and it's really detailed. It can be super nice app, because there are a lot of apps like Face app, Reface, which are also working in this like AI face field, where you can just see what happens and manipulate kind of your selfies and stuff like that. So that's the app basically. We can just see, and yeah, so there are other apps in this category: celebrity lookalike, look like me, celebrity voice changer. So a lot of apps in this category, but this seems one of the easiest to use, and like just nice simple design, and also it's free. So, and yeah, a lot of reviews are just like, yeah, it's fun but not super accurate. So that's the thing I also noticed as well, that yeah, it's super fun to use, but seems it's not super accurate. But okay, maybe it's too super complicated actually to develop this AI technology. So I think for start, it's super amazing app. So that's that. Yeah, people are asking how to cancel a subscription. If you signed up, you just need to go to your profile in the App Store app, tap on subscriptions, and then you will see the Celebs tab here. Tap on that, for example, like here, and then just tap on that. It will be like Celebs app, and in the bottom you will have like delete subscription. So that's that. So hope you enjoyed, guys, this quick overview. Please put a like and subscribe. Super easy for you. Just put a like below this video. Just do it right now. Subscribe to this channel for more videos about awesome apps which will make your life happier and easier. And check out my website, mrhack.io, and my podcast. See you in the next videos.